Guys, what's up? It's very cold out here, and today I am gonna be looking for the cartoon cat army and the cartoon dog army. So, if they fight, that'd be very cool. Anyways, okay, original cartoon dog versus original cartoon cat. Okay, I don't know. All right. The cartoon dog versus cartoon cat. Cartoon dog won. Both cartoon dogs won. I don't know. I'm gonna go inside. It's so cold. They're just gonna follow me anyway, right? Oh, we got sitting down cartoon dog versus cartoon cat with the upside down face. Whoa. Okay, we got Jerry versus the cartoon cat with the upside down face. Oh, cartoon cat with the upside down face. Wow. And I don't know who else. I don't know. Oh my gosh. I just realized the cartoon cat army won. Oh wow, this is insane.